Good morning. How are we? Hope we're all doing well. Thought I'd start this a little bit earlier because there's a few fun things happening today. One of them will be arriving shortly. And on that news, hi John. How are we?
Not bad, thank you. I'm just being John the welder today.
This is the van that Di had on his ramp that he was doing all the welding on.
Yeah, just needs a bit behind the big pillar. And chop that out with it now. So we can get a plate up and in, clean all this. And plate over the top. Seal him up. She's good for MOT.
MOT, and then she can go for a spray. So that's John's morning project.
Yeah. Where's my glasses? Can't find the glasses.
So we're going to leave John to make lots of noise and mess. Also, there's something turning up in a bit, which is why I wanted to start this. Also, in other news, Mr. Dynamo has got this one that he's now working on. He has put the step in. I'm guessing a bit of the B-pillar and the lip.
And I was 48 yesterday.
And it was Namo's birthday yesterday. Go wish Namo a happy birthday. 48 years. Don't he look good?
If he had hair, it'd be great.
Go and wish Mr. Namo a birthday.
Now he's officially a grumpy old man.
He's a more grumpy old man. So go wish him a happy birthday. For you, it's probably about a week out of sync because I'm about a week behind in videos. But go wish him a happy birthday anyway.
Smartest, oldest, and best looking old man.
Also, the biggest liar. Also, in the last video, we was talking about this, a VR6, and what we should do with it. We've actually come up with an idea. So look forward to what we're going to be doing with that. Sorry about the sun. It's doing sun stuff, so you might not be able to see. But very soonish, this van that John's took to Scotland and Cornwall and here, there and everywhere, this thing will officially be properly up for sale soon. I know you've probably already seen some posts, some fraudulent posts saying that it's up for sale. Well, it's not actually up for sale, but it will be, which you will understand better later. So I thought I'd just pick a camera up, start the video, and then in a minute, once the delivery gets delivered, I'll pick a camera up and you can see the new doghouse project.
2 new doghouse projects.
2? Only one's turning up. Actually, he is right. There is 2.
You're going to go up.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to put this camera down, and when our delivery gets delivered, I'll pick the camera up and we can see the awesomeness that shall arrive. So, see you in a mo. So, we just had a little phone call to say the delivery is about to be delivered. And Mr. John is the proud recipient.
Oh. Yeah, we can see it with it. Yeah, we can see it.
And here it is. This is John's newest project. Uh-oh.
We're in trouble.
John's bought a problem and we all have to deal with it. So this is the new doghouse project.
It does wobble, when I drove it in, it's just like that. Project, people.
So yes, John has now got himself a motorhome. So she's got potential.
So you have to rip everything out. Start fresh.
Well, this is going to be my new bed.
Oh, is that a lot of space?
Yeah, it is, isn't it? It's massive up there.
Present for that.
Also, she's a 2.4 automatic.
Perfect.
But she is not going to be like this forever.
Wine rack?
Ah, wine rack for the bottles of not wine. We're going to have a look over this a little bit more. But Doghouse has a new project. Cool. Let's not tell John that's broke. Happy?
What early bands now?
We have. Yours is also newer than, older than mine.
94, she had 96.
96, yeah.
95.
No, mine's 96. So I've got a 1996 and John's also got a 1994 2.4. But, right, I'm going to stop rambling. We're going to have a little look around this thing. But welcome to the new Doghouse project. Right, I'm going to put this down. See you in a moment. Right, there we are, back in the workshop, doing workshop stuff. Mr. John.
Back to doing random stuff.
So, we're going to leave Mr. John to do that. Are you pleased with your motorhome decision?
Yeah. 100%.
We'll ask him that again in about a week. Mr. Namo. In fact, we're not even going to ask what Mr. Namo was doing.
Yes. 2 T4. Yeah. Go ask.
So, ta-da! Di's just welding that up for somebody, making it all cool. And I doing a pre-MOT on this. Check a bunch of stuff. Make sure it's ready for an MOT and cool on the tray. No. And it needs a service as well, so that's my job. So I'm gonna go and put the camera up there somewhere, and hopefully you can get a cool look of the whole workshop while we're working. If it looks any good, you'll see it. If not, I'll see you in a mo. So, wish me luck. Well, I just thought doing a bit of a different camera angle could be a bit of fun. So if you enjoyed it, drop me a comment. And if you liked it, I'll do it a little bit more often. And welcome back. So it's been a little bit longer. The van that I was working on, that was on this ramp, is done. Took a little bit longer than I wanted to, mainly because the water tank disconnected at the bottom and I had to reconnect that, and that was just a big ordeal. And yeah, but that's all done. Mr. John is now working on this one. He is currently putting the head back on it and rebuilding this back up. So that is Mr. John's job. And Di is still welding the little scooter. He's all buttoned up on that one. We'll have a look in a bit. But as you've probably seen, motorhome's here. And so far we're actually stripping it out. In fact, we are literally ripping everything.
4 days.
Yeah, we've decided that now is the best time to pull everything out. That is now what our new job is to pull the whole of the interior. There's a bunch of wire that wasn't even connected to anything. The water tank, which was just placed in. The seat, which was just placed in. And all the wood, which we're keeping quite a lot of.
Are we?
Yeah. This is John's new motorhome.
What we gotta get his dad's on it. Fix some wetness and stuff.
So if I leave you up here, you can watch us
Dismantle.
very gently dismantle. Well, I can't really put music in because every time I do, I get copyright strikes. So do 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 do. Well, there we go. Me and John have been very busy. We have ever so slightly demolished the inside, but it needed to be done. Managed to get quite a lot of the roof down. Found a lot of expanding foam and wires that weren't really wiring. But we did find a cool ladder that goes up into the bed, and the bed was very comfortable, wasn't it, John?
It was lovely. Is it better than the back?
It is now, yeah. It's the only bit that's left. But we made a good start on the motorhome, which is nice. We made a nice start. We've also made a nice mess.
On the other side?
Yeah, that's one side. That's the other side.
You purposely making it rock so much.
No, genuinely, I'm just walking across it. Look, just getting out of it. Swamper.
I don't need this head. I don't want time someone leave like this.
Fine, I'm gonna raise it.
Imagine a swamper.
No, don't imagine any longer. So yeah, we've been busy doing that. Ah, forgot to show you. Look at that. It's no longer got that stupid one on. Which I don't actually know.
Don't go on the side.
Oh yeah, I forgot we did this. She's now on black wheels. And what are they, fulls?
Yes.
Look at that. She looks a lot more better. That doesn't look much better though. Look at that. I mean, it's a bit dark for checking this out, but don't that look better with like a proper grill and not that stupid one I had on it? It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's come on nicely. That's
Come out.
got demolished nicely. We have done well. Di's finished the scooter. Should we have a look? He's cut. Oh, he has as well. A bit more grinding to do, but he's cut 2 holes for the lights.
Ah.
That actually looks alright, doesn't it?
Thing is, obviously, he's welded a square in there, hasn't he?
Yeah, there was
Yeah.
a round one in by there that I remember seeing him do.
And obviously, he repaired that.
Yeah, that was completely missing. That looks factory as well. Yeah, he's not here, so we're fine. Done all of these as well. So that, I believe, other than a bit of grinding just to finish it off, this is now done. That come out well, so that's done. Which actually looks quite good. So he's done a very good job, but we're not going to tell him. The grumpy old man gets big-headed. Well, that engine will not be this for long-ish. This is going 2.5 converted. Big turbo, long nose.
We need to put a side pipe out the side of the van.
So what you need to do is get a full exhaust and then just side pipe it at the very end.
Yeah, but through the side.
Huh? Why?
Because you have a pipe. Oh, no.
No. So today has actually been quite the successful day. John's got a nice, cool motorhome. It's a nice doghouse project, which is nice. It's going to be fun to actually see this thing done. We have got a lot of ideas, which we'll keep under wraps at the minute, but we have got a lot of ideas for this thing. And I'm very much looking forward. So follow along when you can actually see how this thing progresses from that to what it turns into. So we now have 2 projects in the doghouse. But that's enough for now. I'm going to get myself gone. In fact, we're all going to get ourselves gone because it's late and cold and dark and scary outside. So we're going to get ourselves gone. Are you happy with your investment? Perfect. And on that note, we're going to get ourselves gone. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for putting out of our dumbass. And as always, take it easy.